everyone to my first ever vlog. So for today's video, I'll show you 5 carpentry tools and paano siya ginagamit and saan siya ginagamit. So let's start! For anything else, kailangan muna natin magsuot ng PPE for protection. So isa-isayin ko siyang suotin para makita niyo. Naka-PPE na ako, ready at safe na ako for demonstration. Tool 1. Tape measure. Tape measure is a flexible metal ruler used to measure size, length, or distance. It has a metal strip called the tape with linear measurement markings rolled inside the plastic or aluminum case. The tape has a metal tab or hook at the end used for hooking onto a wood or butting up against the wall. The large block numbers with lines next to them represent inches. Between the lines, there is the smaller lines. Commonly, each of these lines are spaced 1/16 of an inch apart. Tool number 2. Locking pliers or vice grip. The locking feature allows them to be clamped tight and stay that way while you make a cut, measurement, or free a strip bolt. Common vice grips look like a heavy-duty set of pliers. For house projects, they can be used to temporarily hold a long straight edge on plywood so you can mark a line. Tool number 3. Screwdrivers. A screwdriver allows you to tighten a screw by turning the driver clockwise and loosen it by turning counterclockwise. It has a tough steel shaft with a bit on the end of the blade attached to a square, round, or hexagonal plastic, metal, or wooden handle. Tool number 4. Hammer. A hammer is a tool, most often a hand tool, consisting of a weighted head fixed to a long handle that is swung to deliver an impact to a small area of an object. This can be, for example, to drive nails into wood, to shape metal, or to crush rock. Tool number 5. C-clamp. The C-clamp is used by turning the screw through the bottom of the clamp's frame until the amount of pressure needed to hold the workpiece has been reached. If the clamp is being tightened, then the workpiece being secured is fixed between the flat end of the screw and the flat end of the frame. Clamps are mostly used in pairs for gluing up operations. These clamps can provide the required pressure to hold joints together.